Want to know how to fix TaskRabbit not opening? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can fix it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your TaskRabbit application in order to check if it really does not work. So make sure you also restart your Wi-Fi and make sure you have a high-speed Wi-Fi or data connection installed. And once you've done that, if none of those work, just simply hold on to your TaskRabbit application and head towards the app info. So once you're there, this is specifically for Android. On the bottom right side, you should be seeing clear data right here. So you can just simply select that. Now you can select clear cache and then select OK. So once that is on, all of your junk files should be cleared out, and this should help. If it still doesn't work, you can just simply reinstall or clear all data. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.